Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be kind of a show and tell wig. This wig was sent to me from Maneconcept. Correction guys, this wig was sent to me from Maneconcept. And this is the Eira wig, and in the color, it looks like black and silver. So Eira, E-I-R-A. And this is a HD melting lace front wig. So it's a pretty interesting color. It's like an ombre with the silver in it, and yeah, I remember one time years ago when silver became first popular and I like tried it out on the ends of my hair. It was just a phase, but this kind of what this wig reminded me of. So I was just like, oh well, you know, I like to try new things out, so let's see how this one is going to turn out. I took the wig out the car, and this is like what it looks like. It's kind of this little wave pattern. It's like I said before, gray. I don't know, like on camera it looks like bluish gray, but off camera, like with my naked eye, it just looks like a grandma gray. So I'm kind of scared, but we're gonna see. This is the stock car that comes in. It also comes in the color black as well. So we all know how the inside of a wig comes. It has the comb on the two sides, and then it just has a middle part, and then elastic straps at the bottom as well. So I'm just gonna try on the wig without cutting the lace first, just so you can just see what it looks like, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go back and cut the lace and everything. I don't like the lace. It's so white. Like, I'm definitely gonna have to go in with powder. Yeah, definitely gonna have to go in with powder. But this is just first impression of it. I'm probably gonna have to like brush it out or something, because but I will say it is really soft. Oh my gosh, I feel like I look like a little cute grandma. Okay, let's go ahead and go and cut this lace and kind of just get it customized to my liking. So I went ahead and cut the lace off the camera, and as you've seen before how it was like white lace, I went ahead it's pretty strong. I went ahead with the EVIN tinted lace in the color medium brown, and just tinted the lace a little bit better. I kind of like this method more so than like using a powder, because it's like easier and it definitely matches to my skin tone. So definitely pick this up at your local beauty supply store. Now what I will say is that the wig fits comfortably to my head. I'm just gonna brush these curls out so they won't look so like structured. I want them to look like a little bit wavy. But I will say that you can still see like the black dots. So probably you should go in additionally with some extra powder like on the top of the lace to kind of conceal those black dots as well. Now you can kind of see like the gray. At first it was looking like bluish gray, but now it's like gray. But this would be cute for like a little Halloween costume maybe. But for every day, I'm not necessarily sure if I would wear it as every day. See, from far away you really can't see like the black dots, so it kind of like really looks like scalp, which I do like. But up close, like I'll get closer and you can start to see like those black dots. So let me try to move so like straight up these little baby hairs. My sister just said I'm one of those people who did wear any hair color. I don't know about this one. I'm looking like a grandma. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back on top with this and to see if those black dots get concealed anymore. It made it a little bit better, but we just gonna deal with it at hand. So this is gonna give me like mermaid, like wave vibes. How the length of this hair, I would consider it probably like 18-20 inches from me. You guys the back of it as well. But I mean, look, hey, it's giving sexy grandma, okay? Like, that's the best I can describe it. Like, I don't know. So I think I like a little bit like this styled a little bit better, like this way. It's kind of like in a halfway, like bun ponytail type of thing. It's not really like style, but like it's just, I think I like it better when it's not like all on my face. It's kind of like up a little bit. So yeah, I think this is probably the only way I would like style it and wear it. But I think this is like way cuter this way. Even though these pieces are like kind of long, I would probably cut them, but I don't really have time to do that right now. So we're just gonna leave them alone. But yeah, it's really soft. Like I said, the wig construction, it fits good on my head. I have a smaller head, so I mean, for bigger head, I'm not sure if it will be big head friendly, because I didn't even tighten the straps. Usually with some of these synthetic units, I do have to tighten the straps on them, and I didn't have to for this one, and this one is fitting on my head pretty snug, so I'm not sure if it's going to be big head friendly. But yes, the curls, you know, the curls are soft. It's really not like getting tangly or anything like that, but that's pretty much like all synthetic units when you first get them. Like, they're easier to comb through, but you know, over time they'll start to get tangly and stuff. But no shedding either. But yeah, like, and I feel like Eira is such, it sounds like an older woman's name or something like that. Like, it is a perfect fit. Perfect name for this wig, I think. I also do want to say that for this unit, you don't need to glue it down, so I guess it would be considered a glueless wig. It did come with a little bit of baby hairs, but I think this wig is just meant to be just like a middle part, one stationary kind of like wig. You can't part it anywhere else. It's not one of those wigs. The part just kind of already comes standard. The only con I would say was just that the lace was just white, but other than that, I think this wig was, you know, nicely constructed and everything. And so thank you again for Main Choice. Again, guys, this wig was sent to me from Maneconcept for sending me this unit, and thank you guys for watching another video of mine. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this unit, and if you're going to purchase it in the future, or maybe I would say save this for like a cosplay, Halloween type of costume. And also do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in my next one.